Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. This week we are doing a garage and a driveway pour. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, the two pours, my favorite part. Thanks for leaving us a like, subscribe. See you then guys, bye-bye. Calmado, estoy grabando. All right guys, there it is. Pour went well. As you can tell, something's missing. That step. We have another pour, so we're gonna frame it and pour it with that. Oops. But funny, right? Because these steps aren't, they're gonna be wood, so it's like, they're not doing steps, and I forgot that one over there, but should be knocked out on the next pour. See you then, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.
está más cabrón allá. Allá como los pinches. Allá ni modo que tengan ya pinches quinceañeras o bodas, pues su madre.
Yeah, quinceañera is just about as much as a wedding.
I was telling them how yesterday we spent more on hot dog and Hey guys, there it is. Everything went well. We poured 7 in the morning, 5 slump. Knocked it out pretty good. I decided to put blankets on top after we bull floated it because it was getting a little windy. I didn't want it to dry up too quick. Kind of a trick I thought of. But we uncovered it. Wind died down. We're doing good. Everything came out good. Garage floor is done. The step, it was actually done this time. We didn't forget it. But there it is. Next week, we will be doing a back patio. Stick around for that. Thanks for clicking on our video. Don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.